Anyway, it is Thursday night. I've never ever had this happen in 4 years. I used this scope extensively for approximately an hour last night. About at least 8 or 9 minutes was using the infrared attachment. Well, I turn on the scope as I normally do to see if I need to swap batteries. This battery is fully charged, and that would be really impossible considering that infrared uses a tremendous amount of power. I've only got just over an hour and a half, and it's already past half-life, so 3 hours max running time. If I use infrared, it shortens it dramatically. So this is impossible. I don't understand this. I'm the only one that swaps batteries or handles the scope or any of that stuff. I never, ever, ever swap the battery out before I go out. I just don't. I swap it just the minute I go out the door if it needs it. If it's used half of it or more, it's going to get swapped out. But I can't explain this. I really can't. I'm the only one in the house. Everybody else is gone, so there's nobody really to mess with it. I'm pretty sure my dog didn't swap the battery. So somehow or another it got charged up. You can see the battery bar on the bottom right. And not to mention the downloading time that the scope was on while I was sitting there downloading the Bluetooth. There was an object shot straight up right there. So I don't know. I don't understand it, but anyway. Object there going up. Hey, what's up? Boy, it didn't take you guys long, huh? You got right over here and went to work, didn't you? So you guys are like waiting on me. A few minutes late from cooking, but I'm sure you guys will let me make up for it. There's number 2. You're the one right here. Anyway, I can't help but notice. Look at this flashing object way over here. Look at it flashing. I mean, I've seen stars flicker and stuff, but that looks like a genuine flash to me. I don't know. Let's flash back to it a little bit. And it's still flashing the same. Oh, it's actually moving. There's a plane right there. Yeah, this object's actually moving. It is heading up. Man, it is moving very, very, very slow. Yeah, it's moving up. There's an object coming up and around. Oh, it flashed too. There's another one. My screen is brightening up now. It's a lot of stars. It is really windy out here, I'll tell you what. I had to have 30, 40 mile an hour gusts out here. I've actually got my coat on, it's cold.